all right. Looks like we got a little bit of scrap on the side of the road this morning. Let's see what we got here. We don't want to let that go to waste. Sweet. Throw it in the truck, throw it in the truck. Including the ironing board. And some chain. Look at that dog chain. That's something I wouldn't use. I'd never put my dog on a chain. You put your dog on a chain? Not me. I'm gonna unload this goodness right into my trailer. Oh yeah. Steel frame screen doors. They don't last long around here. Right in the trailer. Alright everybody, scrapping with Grandpa. I am so happy to be back. I took a week off, took a little trip to Rhode Island and New York. I am now back at my favorite place to scrap. Now this place here, I can't just come in here and drive around. This is a plantation, St. James in Southport, North Carolina. You have to have a pass to get in here. If you're a scrapper and you have places like this near you, go to the HOA, across the street or wherever it may be, tell them you're a scrapper, give them some business cards. They might be willing to put you in their local paper that they use in that development. And that's what they did for me here. So I was put in this paper. And people call me up now to pick up their stuff, and most of the time it's good. Anyways, yeah, go ahead and go to the management department, whatever it may be. Tell them that you're a scrapper, and they might be willing to add you to their maybe magazine that they have, or news article that comes out. Excuse me. That's what I use. And right now I'm going in to pick up a dishwasher, maybe some other things. Now this dishwasher, anytime I come into this place, it's not junk. I've been given brand new stuff. I've been given some amazing things in this place. But this is a dishwasher. The dishwasher works. She's not getting rid of it because it doesn't work. She's getting rid of it because she wanted an upgrade. Something different, something better. And she was ready. So I will list this dishwasher on Marketplace for 50 bucks. Think about it. If you're a scrapper, you've scrapped any dishwashers, under the sink things, they're plastic. There's one little motor in the bottom of that thing. You might make a couple bucks on the dishwasher, literally, at the scrapyard. If that, at 10 cents a pound, you're not even gonna make that. So sell it. I'm gonna list it right on Marketplace, by God, and I'll put it on there for 50 bucks. You can't buy a dishwasher, a working, good dishwasher for $50. When I get barbecue grills, a lot of people just give up their barbecue grills. But sometimes I find out they're just dirty. And people are like, remember, we live in the giveaway world or the throwaway world anymore. These times are throw it away, get something new. Don't even clean it. People don't even clean their stuff. So I get so many grills and I list them right on Marketplace, and boy, they sell quick. Lawnmowers, people give away their lawnmowers constantly, always giving away lawnmowers. It might not take 10 bucks to make that lawnmower run again, but they buy a new one because we live in that kind of world. So take my lawnmowers, I bring them right to my mechanic, say put a new carburetor on it, whatever, fix it up. He generally charges me about $25 or maybe even $50 sometimes to make them runnable machines. But you can't buy a lawnmower for 25 or 50 bucks. So I'm getting it for free. List it right on Marketplace. If I make $25 on a lawnmower, I feel like I made good money. So I don't try to rob nobody or try to get big money from my stuff that I sell on Marketplace. I just try to get more than I would have got if I was scrapping it. That's the ticket right there. More than you would have got if you were scrapping it. So scrapping's great. I love it. It's in my blood. It's what I'll probably do for the rest of my life. I am 58. I'll be 59 in October. I don't know how old I am. So I'm going to take the next 2 or 3 years of my early retirement and scrap along with you guys. So I look forward to meeting a whole bunch of new people on here because that's what I do. I like to find out different prices in different areas. I have people from the UK and Texas, Illinois and Ontario and Montreal, Canada, and a lot of people that are watching my channel, and I'm watching a lot of their channels. I think that's what it's all about. Do what you enjoy, everybody. So my next 3 years, I'm going to be a scrapper because that's what I enjoy. Thanks for watching my channel. Hope you hit that subscribe button. Lots of videos coming out, I promise. 3 years worth of them from now on. Made it to my first stop in St. James. Hopefully he hadn't forgot about me. Let me grab my phone in case I have to call him. Arrived. Let's see what we got today. I picked up some stuff here before. Here it is, right on the porch. Right on the porch. Christmas, gold, wooden, electricity, cords, lots of cords. So, we got me in today. Nice, whole bunch of cords. All different kinds of cords. I like it. I'll take it. Hey, you're giving me a hard time today. Box of cords. All right, let's go get this. Now, see, I'm driving down the road and I see something like that. I think that's cool. Ain't no way I'm gonna throw that away. Sweet. It's not scrap wood, but I'm taking it. Man, that's a beautiful tabletop. Gosh. Things that people throw away are insane. Yeah, an antique ironing board. Look at that. I'm throwing that away. That's flea market material right there. I've got to be able to sell that at a flea market. What do you think, guys? I mean, I'm a scrapper. I'm out here looking for metal. Damn. I just can't pass up. I can't pass up goodness. I can't pass up goodness. I'm taking it. That's an unusual item. Love to have this table. Man, it's beautiful. See the bottom starting to come apart. Man, I wonder what kind of wood that is even. Isn't that something? Oh! So It looks like it's been repaired a few times before. Anyways, I'm leaving it. As much as I like it, I just like these legs. And I wonder what kind of wood that it's made out of. Pretty cool. Somebody will take it. Not me today. All right, everybody, check it out. Dishwasher. Kidding more. Awesomeness. Clean it up a little bit. Put down a marketplace. Doesn't look like anything wrong with it to me. I'm gonna back up to it. These things are never real heavy. They're just big, kind of cumbersome. And of course, I'm not wanting to tear this thing up. So, I want to load it carefully. Seems to be on some wheels back there. Let's see what this old grandpa can do. Getting this thing in the back of this truck. All right, camera. Let's see what we can do. Oh, yeah. Up and in. Oh, yeah, you can't beat grandpa. You can't beat a grandpa. Whew. Yes, sir, baby. You can't beat grandpa. Like I say, this thing is not, it's not scrap metal. Probably end up bringing it right to my storage building and dropping it off until I can get it listed. Meantime, I just need to get it in the truck where I can close the door. A little bit too much stuff in here. Look at this beautiful thing. See? I mean, I don't want this thing, but somebody wanted it. Can't throw something like that away. It's too much goodness. Oops. Leg caught. I'm gonna let this thing ride right up against the tailgate so that it holds it in. Oh yeah, look at that goodness. Beautiful stuff. Let me leave these people a card. Scrapping with Grandpa. See you when I get there. Alright, I think I can. Let's find out if I can. Scrapping with Grandpa. Has nothing to get a hold of. That ain't gonna work. Whew, definitely don't want to damage it. In too good a shape. All right, let's see what we can do here. There we go. Nice. Get a couple pictures. Just happened to be driving down the road. Look what we found. Hope it's scrap. Oh yeah. Scrap metal, baby. Gotta have it. Imagine if they were getting ready to mow their grass out here. They'd be pissed. Somebody stopped by and grabbed their fucking mower while they went there. Or a drink of water. That'd be so funny. No, that wouldn't be funny. What we got here? Somebody's getting rid of something. TV. Getting rid of the TV on the side of the road. take it. Scrap metal.